To find the opening hours of your local TSB Bank branch, follow this step-by-step guide. First, visit the TSB Bank website to access their branch locator tool. This tool allows you to search for your local branch by entering your postcode or location. Once you have entered your postcode or location, a list of nearby branches will appear along with their addresses and a link to view their opening hours. Click on the link to view the opening hours of your chosen branch. Here you will find the hours of operation for weekdays, weekends, and any bank holidays. You can also filter the results by distance or alphabetically to find the most convenient branch for you. Additionally, you can use the TSB Bank mobile app to find your local branch and view their opening hours on the go. It is also a good idea to check the TSB Bank website for any updates on branch opening hours before visiting, as they may be subject to change. By following these steps, you can easily find the opening hours of your local TSB Bank branch and plan your visit accordingly. It is also worth noting that some branches may have different hours for certain services such as business banking or mortgage advice. So it is always a good idea to check before visiting. By planning ahead and checking the opening hours of your local branch, you can make the most of your visit to TSB Bank and avoid any inconvenience. Overall, finding the opening hours of your local TSB Bank branch is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps.